Alright, here's one going to be very quick. The Maco 75 that I kept, or because the guy said fix one, keep one. He had two, so he sent me two. And this was the keeper only because it had less parts in it than the other one he sent. They both look pretty good physically, but internally they were missing a whole bunch of stuff. And this is the inside of the keeper. Look like all the power supply stuff, the capacitors, the high voltage diodes and capacitors went over here. The center tap for the screen and the parts that go with it went over here. That's all gone. The negative bias went over here. The trickle caps that fed the negative bias went along here. This is the low voltage. Look like they kept that, or redid that. And this one has an extra knob here. This knob isn't factory. And that's a potentiometer, and the only pot it had is to adjust the negative bias. So somebody put that in the front, and I guess you could use that as a variable with it when you get it going. So we're gonna leave that there, especially since they put a hole in the orange pumpkin to do it. And basically your tank coil, it's not even tapped the way they normally tap them. Tune cap here and load cap. Only way to adjust that is go to the top inside, and it's next to the tube with the high voltage, so you got to be very careful if you're going to reach in and adjust that tune cap there. Load cap, which is on the front, and the single tube, and power relay. Got an input coil, or basically an input transformer, because it's grid driven, high impedance, so you need a transformer to take the low impedance coming in to convert it to high impedance to properly drive a grid driven amplifier. So that's the input, and that's basically all to this thing. So that's a Maco 75 stripped down, not by me. That's the way I got it. And the fix one, keep one. This is my keep one. I already did a video on the fix one that's going back. So anyway, we got some caps coming, so I'm going to put this on the shelf for a while, and then when we get the parts and all that, get it together, we'll probably make another video on this one. That's it for this. Bye.